Guys has rose against and England's bell. They just could not keep their footage in moving. Bankhede. Welcome back to Sports Singh. Hi, Surinder, and we are synchronizing from this happy bed class shootout at Bankhede, Mumbai. The semi-finals are big moments and big hearts, and the India so both to punch their ticket to England. But my goodness, what a match! Unbelievable! What a full entertainment! Did we switch this once out? How the match was? After losing the toss, India was asked to bat first, and you could not practically feel that the aggression from the ball first. They did not just play; they attacked every bowlers and got boundary every overs. And who was leading the charge? The man in blue. That is the Sanju Samsung. What a knock played by Sanju. 89 runs, just 42 balls, 211.90 strike rate. 89 pass pure arts, elegant, destructive, just incredible. He had England's bowlers searching for answer that never came out. And how about the launch pad provided by Ishan Kishan's? What a 39 of just 18 balls. That's electric. Magnifies beauty. Counter attacks. Even Shivam Dube. Handy 43s. Cameo Hardik and Tilak Burma. India reached a World Cup highest knockout semi-final scores 253 for others. Year record shattering totals in the knockout at Bankhede, Mumbai. Let's alone in the T20 World Cup semi-finals 253. There's a mountains England had to climb, and it's almost required to oxygen at the peak. Now the England has chased. They looks rattles earlier. Sharp hooks and butters gone within the first 6 overs and power plays. We were ready to book a flight to Ahmedabad. What? India seemed to be a complete control on the match until Jacob Vettel decided to script these kids, 22-year-olds, guys, and he just banned beats sports on us, and Indian bowlers had no answers of their questions. Hey, 45 for a century. Wow, what a knock by played by 22 years young man. He was hitting at but counters attacks of the highest orders. England sides. England needs 30 runs from last overs. It was a tense. Bankhede held to be a silence I have never heard before this. As very first ball of 20th overs, a slower ball from the big man Shivam Dube and a mistimed shot. Battles run for a second and run out at the keeper, and Sanju Samson collects the balls and run out. The moment He bucked. We knew even Jofra Archer. Two consecutive sixes were not enough. India defeat England by 7 runs. What a thriller match played between two heavyweights. Counter punch by England, but it is not enough to chase the mountain-like scores. 253s. Roller coasters. 499 runs, 34-6 in the 20-over games for record books. Samson got player of the match. What every single Indian players contributed for their teams. Specials shoot out to Jesse Bumrah, boom boom Bumrah, the crunch player for the for 18 overs, just 6 runs, concedes when the hot ball really on. That's right. There is the experience of this man's. So now, Sunday, Ahmedabad, the biggest stadiums, Narendra Modi Stadium, Ahmedabad. It's India versus New Zealand in finals. Two heavyweights, one trophy, the ultimate showdowns can repeat there and lift the this trophy. You wait. Bell will be here will all the analysis of that match. Thanks for watching Sport Racing. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That's the notification bell icons because the next couple of days are going to be builds. I am Surendra. Jai Hind. Thank you. Like and subscribe.